Assalamu alaikum students of grade 4. I am your math teacher. I hope you will be fine. Students, today I will explain chapter 1 notation and numeration exercise 1.1 question B to D. In this chapter I will explain Pakistani and international place value. First of all, we know about numeration and notation. नोटेशन मीन्स नंबर इन फिगर्स. नोटेशन का मीनिंग है कि नंबर्स को फिगर में लिखना, नंबर में लिखना. ये 324, 4629. एंड न्यूमरेशन मीन्स नंबर इन वर्ड्स, नंबर्स को वर्ड में करना या स्पेलिंग में लिखना. फॉर एग्जांपल 325. नाउ how to write the numbers in figures in Pakistani and international way. We will know about the place value. The place value, topic number 1. Place value is the value of the digit according to its position. Now, position of 6 is unit, 3 is 10, 2 is 100, and 5 is 1000. These are the position of these numbers. Children, you already know the place value of Pakistani way in class 3. Pakistani place value, unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. In this chapter we also learn about international place value. International place value is unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. These are the periods. Unit periods, unit 10, 100, 1000 periods, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, and million periods, million, 10 million and 100 million. And Pakistani periods, unit 10, 100, unit period, 1000, 10,000, 1000 periods, lakh, 10 lakh, lakhs period. अगर आपको पाकिस्तानी और इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू याद होगी तो आप इजीली एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व कर सकेंगे. नाउ हाउ टू राइट, वी कंपेयर द पाकिस्तानी एंड इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू. नाउ लुक हियर, पाकिस्तानी प्लेस वैल्यू यूनिट 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू यूनिट 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. नाउ कंपेयर Pakistani place value unit 10, 100, unit periods. International unit 10, 100, unit periods. Pakistani place value 1000, 10,000, 1000 periods, and international 1000, 10,000, 100,000, 1000 periods. And Pakistani lakh periods. Pakistani lakh is equal to 100,000. Pakistani लैग जो है वो इंटरनेशनल वैल्यू में 100,000 के बराबर होता है. नाउ लोग एक्सरसाइज 1.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर बी. राइट दिस नंबर इन फिगर्स प्लेसिंग द कॉमास करेक्टली इन पाकिस्तानी वे. नंबर 1 इज 5,92,039. Now write the place value in Pakistani way. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. With the help of place value chart, we able to put the number in their correct place value. We use comma to separate the lakh, 1000 and 100. The comma indicates that the number to the left is in a different house. यूनिट 10, 100 के बाद आप कॉमा लगाएंगे, ये आपका यूनिट हाउस था. 1000 और 10,000 के बाद कॉमा लगाएंगे और 1000 आपका 1000 हाउस था. और फिर आप लैक का कॉलम बनाएंगे. नाउ इन मैथमेटिक्स वी कॉल दैट हाउस अ पीरियड. ये आपके पीरियड्स कहलाते हैं. यूनिट, 1000, लैक, दीज आर पीरियड्स. एंड पुट द ज़ीरो ऑन एम्प्टी प्लेसेस. अगर आपका कोई नंबर स्किप है तो आप उसकी जगह ज़ीरो पुट करेंगे. Now 5 lakh on 5 place, 92,000 on 92,000 place, and 39. And 39 write in unit and 10 place. And 100 place is empty, so we write 0 on 100 place. Now example number 2, 8 lakh 909. So write the place value of Pakistani, unit and 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. And lakh on 8 place value, 8 lakh place value, 900 in 9 place value, 100 place value write on 9, and 9 is unit place value. And 10,000 and 10,000 empty places, so we write 0 on that places. Now see question number 3, 7 lakh 41,064. Now write the place value, unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So write 7 lakh on 7 place, 7 lakh and put the comma, 41,000 in 41,000, 1000 and 10,000 place, 41,000 put the comma, and 64. Now 64, 60 is 10 place and 4 is unit place. Now 100 place is empty, so we write 0. So 7 lakh 41,000 and 64. Now question number C, write these number in figures placing the commas correctly according to the international periods. International place value, now put the place value of international, unit and 100, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. The question is 335,742. Write the place value, unit and 100, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Now put the comma to separate the house, unit and 100, comma, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Now 335,000. 1000 period has 3 place value, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. 335,000, 742. Now question number 2, 900,000 and 9. Now 1000 periods, 900 and 900,000 and 9. And 9 is unit place, so 10 and 100 are empty spaces, so we write 0 on that places. Now question number 3, 627,000. Now write place value, unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So write 627,000. 1000 periods, 627,000. Now put the comma after 1000 periods, 100 on 100 place value, and 18. 1 10 place and 8 in unit place. 627,000. आप 627,000 को 1000 periods को आप complete इस तरह पढ़ेंगे, 627,000 and 118. Now move to question number D. Write the place value of color digit पाकिस्तानी and इंटरनेशनल वे. आपको पाकिस्तानी और इंटरनेशनल वे दोनों में प्लेस वैल्यू लिखनी है कि आपका प्लेस वैल्यू क्या आई है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द प्लेस कलर डिजिट इज 3. सो 3 इज 10 प्लेस, यूनिट 10 प्लेस, 3 10s or 30 in Pakistani way and 3 10s or 30 in international place value. The both place values are 10. Now next is 6, unit 10, 100,000, 6 is 1000 place in Pakistani way and also in international way. 6,000 or 6,000 Pakistani and international. Now next question. color digit is 7. Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. And Pakistani unit 10, 100,000, 10,000 and lakh. 7 lakh or 7 lakh in Pakistani periods, and international period 700,000 or 700,000. Pakistani place value lakh and 100,000 are equal. Now I have completed question number B, C and D. Now students, after this explanation, you will be able to do exercise 1.1, question B, C and D. Now look in your planner. Before starting your work, write half-yearly 2021-22 and make the title page. Chapter 1, Notation and Numeration. Now question number B, exercise 1.1, page number 4. Question number B, question B 1 to 10. Question C 1 to 10. And question number D, question number D 1 to 10 in your copy. Now this is your homework. Do exercise 1.1, page number 4, question B 1 to 10, question C 1 to 10 and question D 1 to 10. This is your title page, chapter 1, Notation and Numeration. Okay students, thank you. Allah Hafiz.